We'll guide you through how to create a Notion planner template. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Notion on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll want to start by clicking on the New Page option in the left-hand sidebar. Once you've got your blank page, give it a name like My Planner. Now you can choose a template layout by clicking on the Templates button on the right-hand side. For a planner, the weekly agenda or to-do list templates are great starting points. Click on one to apply it to your page. Now let's customize it for your needs. You can add a calendar view by typing / then selecting calendar. This will help you see your tasks and events in a monthly view. To add a new task or event, simply click on the day and fill in the details. You can create categories for your tasks by adding a database. Type /, then choose database and select table. Now you can add columns like priority, due date, and status to keep everything organized. If you have recurring tasks, you can add them by duplicating the task entry and editing the dates. To make your planner visually appealing, you can change the cover image or add an icon by clicking on the add cover or add icon options. At the top of your page, finally make sure to share your planner with others if needed by clicking on the share button and adjusting the permissions. By following these steps, you'll have a personalized planner that keeps you on track. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.